mention maybe, Amanda, at this point, which is related to the question. I feel that we have just reached base camp, and we have been equipped with the tools to now climb Mount Everest and reach the summit. And it's just the new chapter for us. There's no exit for the founders.
What is going on, my Metamillionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, got a quick video for you today. Just want to run down really quick what's going on with Meta. We're going to go over the OCC's new update on that article they put out on the updated options. So we're going to cover that. We're going to go over quick FinTel numbers, make it really quick today. So hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up. Check out the links down below. And baby, let's go. All right, guys, so here you can see this literally came out October the 12th. Adjusted metamaterials further adjustment. Adjusted option symbol MMAT1. Date 6/28/21. Settlement update. Effective on October the 8th. The MMTLP component of MMAT1 options exercise assignment activity was subject to broker-to-broker settlement. See the OCC information memo. It has a number there. MMTLP shares, has the cuspid number here now, are now eligible for settlement at the National Securities Clearing Corporation, the NSCC. As a result, all exercise and assignment activity for the MMTLP component of MMAT1 options as of October 12th will no longer be subject to broker-to-broker settlement. Exercise and assignment activity from October 12th, 2021, and thereafter for MMTLP component of MMAT1 options will settle through the NSCC. So what that's basically saying there, it's not going to be broker to broker now. It's going to be covered under the NSCC. Down below here, adjusted metamaterials, formerly Torchlight Energy. MMAT1 options were adjusted on June 23rd, 2021, and again on June 28th, 2021. See the OCC information memos. The deliverable became 50 metamaterials, ticker symbol MMAT, common shares, and it was 100 Torchlight Energy Resources Series A preferred shares. The preferred shares were subject to delay settlement due to their unknown trading status. So that's very interesting. The preferred shares were subject to delay settlement due to their unknown trading status. Refer back to my other video where I showed it had the Torchlight Energy, and it had like the 9s, 5D, and all that on there. And now they converted over to ticker symbol MMTLP. So here it says, on October 6th, the Series A preferred shares began trading on the OTC market under the name MetaMaterials Inc. and trading symbol MMTLP. So here it is, contract adjustment on June 28th, 2021. Option symbol TRCH1 changed to MMAT1. Contract multiplier 1, strike divisor 1. New multiplier 100. Premium for strike dollars, $1 will equal 100. New deliverable per contract. Number 1, 50 metamaterials, MMAT common shares. 2, you get 100 metamaterials, MMTLP Series A preferred shares. It says here the settlement allocation is 95% MMAT and 5% MMTLP, and it has all of the disclaimers down here. So you can read all this stuff here, but I do like to have down here in bold. All clearing members are requested to immediately advise branch offices and correspondents on the above. So there it is, guys. This is pretty much the rundown. It's just confirming that what we was saying on the MMTLP is pretty much confirmed, that if you're holding these before MetaMaterials announces that dividend, you're good to go. So like I told you, if you saw my previous videos, if you haven't, go back and watch them. I have 2 of the contracts of MMAT1. There's so many initials I'm mixing up. But yeah, I have 2 contracts, MMAT1 options. They're doing phenomenal right now. I'm up like 40-50% on those. I got a good bit of these MMTLPs. I like to get more. Fidelity opens up the trading on it. This here pretty much covers the options part of it. Now let's go take a look over at the FinTel and see what's going on over there. Where I found that at, you go to the OCC.com, you go under their search, type in MMAT, you do it by the newest, and you will see that article right here. But I will put it down in the pinned comments. That way you guys can go check it out. And also make sure you go follow me on Twitter at TerryZ247. So So real quick, here is the Fintel short squeeze information. Let's take a browse out of here, see if anything's changed. So our short squeeze score is a 79.57. We are ranked number 102 out of over 5,400 stocks. Short shares that are available at a leading prime brokerage is 450,000. Our short bar fee in order to short the stock is going to cost them 4.36%. And our dark pool here is showing us we had another 53.54, guys, on the dark pool volume. Now, real quick, I wanted to look at the volume on MMAT today. We had 5.6 million in volume, so not a lot of volume, but as you can tell here, out of that 5.6 volume, 3 million went to the dark pool, and basically 53% of it, 53.5% was shorted. The last 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days have been over 50 short volume ratio points, guys. Keep that in mind as well. They are still shorting the heck out of it that's going to the dark pools. So, yeah, it's still very heavily shorted. Now, the last thing I want to go take a look at here, I think I want to do the overview. Yes, let's go take a look at the overview and see what we're looking at here. Whoa! I must say I'm a little surprised because I don't think I've seen us ever at a 99, guys. We moved up in the momentum. Whoa! I'm happy to see that on MMAT. So yeah, let's go. So here it is. The momentum score is a 99.07. It has to be out of 100. And as you guys know, we are ranked number 389 out of 39,732 stocks. It's a proprietary score model that ranks companies on their 6-month momentum. Our 6-month momentum must be going through the roof to be right there, man. I wish I could see who was number 1 on the momentum because, I mean, we're already almost at 100. And if we're looking here, insider accumulation ain't really too much, but I think that's growing because George has been gobbling up the shares. We'll take a peek at that as well. Ownership accumulation, guys. I love this for MetaMaterials, a 98.82. This here is saying about they look at key factors and the number disclosed ownership the prior quarter. And this is basically saying the big totes, the big institutions are buying this bad boy up. Now, I think it was here under the institutional owners where I wanted to show you guys. Yes, right here it is. So if we look here on the institutional owners, you're going to see it right here on 10-4. Georgios Palikaris, we know who that is, Mr. George. Current shares, 32.4 million shares. We got the Nova Scotia and Innovation Corp here holding their current shares is 12 million. And we got here Greg McCabe holding 19.6 million shares. So a lot of shares right there, guys. If those three right there, what is that? 30, 40, 50, about 65 million shares roughly held just from those three people there, George, Innovation Corp, and Greg itself. So that is pretty crazy. If I'm looking at that wrong, please correct me down below. But yeah, looks pretty phenomenal on what I'm looking at. I know Meta has a couple events coming up, and I know Sterling is going to be streaming those, so make sure you go check him out. The man is the OG of MetaMaterials. Got to give the man props where it's at. I know other YouTubers have a hard time doing that, but we're not going to do that here. We give props where it's due, so go give your boy Sterling a look. I know he'll appreciate that. And man, guys, he streams all the events. You know, I'm so thankful someone out of the YouTuber community for MetaMaterials can do that. So thank you again, Sterling, for being able to perform that live streaming for the Meta Millionaires, and we appreciate you, brother. And guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Check out the links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.